We started the club because there didn't seem to be anything around this area for children with difficulties, challenges. So what I wanted to do was build a little team, just hopefully if I could help a few children to come and play sport that they love to watch, they love to play, but never have been welcomed into a team. And that was the big thing. We wanted to feel welcome, to be part of a team. And that's what's so important. So when I started it out, we only had 2 or 3 children, and then it built up to 10. And we had sessions where there was only one child, me and one child, having a game of football in this hall. But as time progressed, we promoted inclusive sport around this area, and we've now got over 80 children registered with MAGA.
This club's absolutely awesome. Eli has Down syndrome and he's 9, but finding a team that solely caters for children with Down syndrome is really difficult because obviously there's not a huge number of children of a similar age. So coming to a team that caters for all disabilities and also allows siblings to attend is absolutely awesome and amazing for our community. The coaches just show so much dedication, so it's a real asset to our community.
We just started cerebral palsy football, frame football. I can't find another club in Wales that does frame football for children with cerebral palsy. So that's what we wanted to do, raise awareness so that every child in Wales gets an opportunity to play the sport they love.
The thing I love most about coming to Morgan is that I get to meet new friends with disabilities, because in my school there's no one else like that, so it's nice to meet people who like football with disabilities.
And inclusivity is really about giving opportunities for everyone. It doesn't matter age, where you're from, what challenges you face every day. Just a bit of understanding is what they need, a bit of acceptance and a bit of encouragement, and looking at what their strengths are, not what their difficulties are, because every child has got an ability to do it. We've just got to find that place for them and give them the confidence to be all they can be. It means a lot to me. Like I said, it's very humbling, but I think it's more than just the award. It's people are recognising, I think, that these children need people and clubs like in MAGA, so they get the opportunities to do what we take for granted. So it's amazing to have the award, but I think there's a lot more that we can do, especially throughout Wales. So it is really important that people recognise what we're trying to do here, I think.